Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful Tea-Tox video for you today. I know it's a new year and now it's time to get on a new journey, okay? For those of you who've jumped off the bandwagon, well, it's time for you to get back on the journey, okay? This video is going to help you along. I'm going to show you how to lose 20 pounds in only 3 weeks. And this is a colon cleanse. One thing we should remember is our colon health is very important. And if you're eating processed and refined foods, you're only adding to the problem because your colon is going to be full of toxins and waste. And it's definitely going to need cleaning. Now, the best way to eliminate that waste is through the use of using natural ingredients. And the ingredients in this recipe is going to help you to get rid of all of that waste in your colon, and it's going to leave it properly clean. Now, when you eliminate the waste from your backed up colon, you are going to be losing weight. This natural homemade recipe is going to help you to lose 20 pounds. So the ingredients in this drink is rich with minerals and fiber, which is going to help you to get rid of that extra waste. So let's get into the video where I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful colon cleanse. Okay, so let's get started right now. What you're going to need is 2 cups of water. We're also going to need 1 tablespoon of our chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of our flax seeds, and today I'm going to be using my prunes, but you can also use as a substitute, you can also use an organic apple. So in this recipe I'm going to use 1 cup of my prunes, and we're going to use some honey. Okay, might as well put our prunes in there. Okay. And you're just going to put everything in your mixer. Today I'm going to be using my NutriBullet. You're also going to put your chia seeds in there. Throw in your flax seeds. And you're going to use 1 teaspoon of honey. Next, we're going to blend this up. You got, oops. Okay. Wow, that came out thick. And now we're just going to pour that into our cup. Okay, now it's really thick, you guys. This is really good. It tastes very good. It's high in fiber, and you drink this consistently every day for 3 weeks and you're going to see some major weight loss. So thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget, like, subscribe down below, and until the next video, I will see you then. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.